I'm going to show you how to activate the debit card in Bank of America. So for the first step, you should be enrolled in online banking. To do that, you should visit bankofamerica.com and click enroll in the login box. After that, enter the last 6 digits of your Bank of America debit or credit card or account number. Then enter your social security number or tax ID number and click continue. If you don't have an SSN or TIN, click don't have an SSN or TIN for the other options to enroll. If you need assistance, you can call the support. For the next step, enter and confirm your email address so they can send you an authorization code. So click send code. After that, enter the authorization code and select the ATM/debit card and enter the PIN for that card and click submit. If you only have a credit card or loan, your screen will display fields for that detail. Next, review and check for the box to acknowledge the electronic communication disclosure and click on continue. Once done, make sure to review and check the box to acknowledge the online banking service agreement and click on continue as well. Next, create your new online ID and password and confirm your password and click continue. For the next step, select your security preference, then click continue, and there we go. Congratulations, you're now enrolled in online banking and ready to log in with your new online ID and password. Once you complete your login, you'll be redirected to your account overview page, and by that we can just go check your debit card activation. If it's still not activated for some reason, you can just call the support and they will fix the issue and guide you to do the right steps as quickly as possible. If you do find this video helpful, consider like and subscribe. See you on the next one.